Phrasal verbs by Fracisco Gonzalez. Phrasal verbs are the union of a verb plus a preposition to create a completely new meaning, right? Example. If we take the verb get and add a preposition up, the result is get up, right? That in Spanish is levantarse. Next, we will name the 5 characteristics of phrasal verbs. First, it's always a mistake to try to waste its meaning of phrasal verbs trying to translate each part, because although sometimes they have some relationships. Examples: call off, that in Spanish is cancelar. Pass out, that in Spanish is desmayarse or repartir. Second, the vast majority of phrasal verbs has more than one meaning, just as the phrasal verb go on may mean to continuar. Example: he went on speaking for 2 hours, right? But it can also mean to suceder, right? Example: something strange is going on here. So, it's useful to learn all the use of phrasal verbs to understand them correctly, right? Third, synonyms. Things to mention about the phrasal verbs is that almost a lot of them have synonyms. That is not a phrasal verb. For example, give up. It means rendirse. Another example: the bank robber gave up after he was shot. El ladrón de bancos se rindió al ser disparado. However, you can also say the bank robber surrendered after he was shot, right? Why happened this? Because give and surrender are synonyms, right? It's indispensable to learn the synonyms of the phrasal verbs, okay? 4. Although the majority of phrasal verbs consist of a verb plus a preposition, that is to say, of 2 parts, there are some phrasal verbs consist of 3 parts. Some examples are: look up to. This means admirar. Another example: your son look up to you. Tu hijo te admira. Another example: live up to. This means estar a la altura de. Another example: these restaurants live up to its reputation. Este restaurante está a la altura de su reputación. With these phrasal verbs of 3 parts, you cannot omit any of parts, since it's a single unit. Nor can you separate, which leads to the last point. 5. Separable and inseparable phrasal verbs. The phrasal verbs can be divided in 2 columns: separable and inseparable. For example, phrasal verb wake up is a separable phrasal verb. If I want to say wake up your brother, I have two options. Wake up your brother, wake your brother up. Both are correct. This can be done because they are separable.